Hi and welcome back, my name is Emily. In this video I will be sharing with you a project using the Cozy Bear Sweet Shop as well as the Slimline Wide Box card from Trinity Stamps, and I will also pair that with a sentiment from the Simply Sentimental Thank You. And I started off by just stamping out all of the images in this large stamp set, and I used ink to the backside, and I kept them all in place on top of my sheet here, if that makes sense, and in that way I could stamp them all together without removing them from the sheet, and you can see how well that turned out. And I went ahead and colored all of this in some bright, fun colors. Since this is a sweet shop, I really wanted everything to be bright and fun and happy colors. And here you can see also my die. This is the Slimline Wide Box card. There are good tutorials on Trinity Stamps YouTube channel if you like to see how to assemble this. I will go through it pretty quickly. I cut out two of the main pieces in this set. You can see I'm using this light pink color, and I will adhere it to the other piece, and this will create our box. And you can also see I cut out all of the decorative pieces from that brighter pink cardstock. I also decided to keep my back panel flat and not crease that. If you wanted a completely open box, then you can just crease the back side as well, but for my card today I wanted that to be straight, so I didn't adhere or crease that one. And you can see I'm decorating the outside pieces of my box with the same color of cardstock here, and then I will do the inside pieces as well. And this really makes this box really sturdy, and it goes together really fast, so you don't have to spend that much time assembly if you don't like it. On the back side of this box, it's the perfect spot for writing your personal message, and there is also a die in this that creates that spot if you like to use it. You can see I followed the inside pieces here just to make it easier and to attach it to the inside, and this will just make sure that I can build some dimension later on. And I decided to have two panels inside, and you can decide how far down or high up you want these pieces to be. If you wanted them to be completely visible, you could have used acetate for these if you like, but I wanted these to be in cardstock as I know I was going to be adhering a lot of paper to it. So I had this shelf here that I put a lot of candy on top of, and I'm sorry I will be a little bit off camera and tilting this in a fun direction. It's kind of hard to record this when the box is, it's kind of hard to put everything inside when I have to tilt it for the camera, if that makes sense. So I will speed through the parts here where I'm tilting it and having it in funny positions here, so you maybe don't see everything I'm doing, but I will show you in the end here how everything turned out. For my bear there, I took a bit of acetate and just adhere it to the bear so that the feet are looking like they are standing on that white piece. And I just gave him something to hold in its hand. And here is that Simply Sentimental Thank You die that I cut out a lot of times out of some teal and blue and green cardstock, and then I will adhere it. I will have plenty to go when I'm done with this card, and you will probably see me use this in the future as well. I assembled a couple of them when I had them already cut out, and I will adhere this to the front of my box here. And I thought thank you was a fun way to go with this sweet bear shop. So here is the finished project. I hope you like this. I hope you got inspired to create something similar. I hope you get inspired both to use the Cozy Bear Sweet Shop and also the older Slimline Wide Box card. I just love this die, and I know you can compare it and use it to so many other stamps and dies that you probably already have in your stash. So it's a really good one. All the products that I use in this video will be linked down below, and until next time I hope you have a great day. Bye!